There is a source beyond all time that enters form and name. It shapes a life through joy and trial, yet never bears the pain. The person who walks roads of change learns loss and learns to grow, while something deeper gathers truth from all the life will show. When higher light meets human heart, a deeper self is born, not bound by fear or fleeting gain, but shaped through what was worn. The lessons lived, the love expressed, return where they belong. The spiritual self awakens here, both personal and strong. The heart becomes the meeting place where love and truth unite. The wisdom of the higher source flows gently into sight. No life is lived for grasping gain or pleasure held alone. Each act becomes an offering, returning to the one. When higher light meets human heart, a deeper self is born, not bound by fear or fleeting gain, but shaped through what was worn. The lessons lived, the love expressed, return where they belong. The spiritual self awakens here, both personal and strong. As union deepens, will aligns with purpose clear and true. The self no longer lives to take, but gives what flows right through. No loss is feared, no effort wasted. Each breath becomes a vow to serve the greater life with